have a website and can tenants apply online? Our website is simple in design, but probably the most powerful property management website in our service area. Each of our listings allows the prospective renter to either download our application to rent or complete an online application. Our tenants can pay online, submit a maintenance request online, as well as view their tenant portal for helpful guidance and frequently asked questions and maintenance frequently asked questions for troubleshooting. Our owners have a similar functionality. Real property management understands that everyone communicates differently. We find that the younger generation doesn't want to talk to anybody. They want to be able to find the answers themselves on the internet. So our website is loaded with just about everything anyone could want to see or know. Feel free to browse around.